Hi, this is the first installation of my motorbike tour video diary, um, where I shoot some footage of my trip and I talk a bit over it. So right now I'm on the 120, the Tioga Pass, going into Yosemite. Actually, I'm already in Yosemite National Park, but I watch my speed. Um, yeah, and it's been a pretty epic day so far. This is day 6. I'm counting the days of my pre-trip to Oregon, so it's 4 days already. So this is the second day since I left the Bay Area again. Last night I left around 4 p.m. Perfect peak hour time. Drove through all the traffic. Had to lane split with my big boxes, and just drive through the Central Valley at nighttime. Doesn't matter. It's pretty boring anyway. I stayed at Jamestown. It's one of those nice little old school historical villages with all the nice houses, all the old like Wild West style houses. Um, Definitely worth a stay, worth checking out if you're on that way. That's on the 108, the Sonora Pass, or at least on the way to the Sonora Pass. Um, yeah, that's a pretty nice town there. I recommend checking it out if you're going through there. It even has a train park, steam trains, steam house, something. I looked at it on Google. It looks pretty cool, but I didn't go because I'm not here to look at trains. I'm here to do twisties. Not so twisty right now. So I'm heading from the Nevada side back to the California side right now. This morning I took the other pass, the Sonora Pass, from California over to Nevada, and I took the 395 down, and then I'm heading back into the California side right now. Really fortunate that I'm able to do these roads. Um, it was while I was getting geared up for the trip, there was snow on these roads, and these roads were partially closed, or you needed snow chains, and I thought that, okay, that's it for the Sierras this year, it's not going to happen. Then they open again, and I did the other pass, and there was pretty much just a bit of snow. A bit of snow on the side there, it's a little bit wet. The other one was completely dry. It was perfect conditions. Amazing. Um, yeah, amazing driving this morning. Really nice photos. Really thick twisties. Um, yeah, it's really lucky to do this. What else can I say? Gear's holding up well. Happy that I spent all that money on 10 different types of earplugs, because the earplugs I've got are really good and comfortable. I got my tank bag. I like to call it like the motorcycle equivalent of a bomb bag, fanny bag. Um, yeah, it's super dorky, extremely practical, so useful. Got my phone and my wallet and all my electricals in there. I can charge them with the cable from the bike. Um, Everything is reachable. It's incredibly useful. Um, so yeah, I didn't really like putting it on, but don't regret it. Look at a map there. See the paper map. There's like the California on the map. There's like the Nevada. Yeah, I'm not using that map. That's just there to pretend that I use paper maps. All my navigation will be Google Maps. Which reminds me, I need to get some offline maps. Yep. So otherwise, pretty epic. The clouds have just rolled over. Earlier it was really clear and nice. Now it's a little bit overcast, but I don't mind. Weather's been good. It's a little cold. See the temperature, it's like, 42 degrees. Um, like 15. Oh, less, like 7 or something. Everything's warm except for my hands. I don't have very good gloves. The heated grips helping. Yeah. Okay, so that's enough talking for me today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna camp in Yosamite today. That's the intent. Um, and tomorrow, I'm gonna head back out the Sierras onto the California side, and then I'll head down and then go back in and do some more um, mountain roads further south. Looking forward to it. Okay. End of